Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a free bet on 1xBet. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, go to your menu, then go to promo. Once in promo, go to promo codes. Then, if you have some promo points, you'll be able to go to single bet. Here, you are going to buy a single bet for just 50 promo points and for free. Then, come back. Once in the principal page, you are going to choose an event of your choice. For example, here I'll choose Athletic Bilbao, this match against Rayo Vallecano. Then click on this match. Bet on an outcome, for example, double chance of Athletic Bilbao. Then go to promo and I'll type in the promo code generated by the single bet I did earlier. And that will be all. You are going to get a free bet from 1xBet.